Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you another card kit that I included in my card kit swap. Yep, card kit swap. This die set I got is from the Ton Stamps, and there's a few pieces. There's about 5 pieces to 6 pieces that come for this set. This is the card that we'll be putting together. I love this die set. Look at that flower, like that is beautiful. And all I did was cut out some paper. Okay, so I will play some music. Oh, I also use this die here from LDRS. It is, what is the name? It is a Creative Basics Fancy Square and Little Things. But I did use this for the inside of the card so that you could write on it. This is a sentiment I have already cut out. This is also from the Ton, I believe, as well. And then I have some jemmies to add at the end. So listen to the music and I will be right back.
Table, the floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept. But things are moving forward. I'm ready to move on, heading for a brand new start at the break of dawn. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold. I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. closer. Yesterday is gone, a destination nowhere. I travel on my own. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold, I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold. Here I come, you better watch out, you better beware. The rumor is out, nothing can stop me. I'm going for gold, I'm out of the dark, I'm out of the cold.
Okay, so this is the card. Hope you guys enjoyed that process. It does come together very easily. It's just a matter of picking your color palette that you want to use. It's a light, medium, and dark. So monochromatic pretty much. But beautiful. So that's the card kit that I sent out in my card swap. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!